What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to open up 2 Lost Thunder packs. So let's get right into it. As you can. We'll go right into this one first. Here is the first Lost Thunder booster pack. Here's a code card. Go ahead and close that. And let's take out the promos. And I believe Lugia. Yeah, Lugia coin. And a Violet color code. 200. Up. Oddly, they both match. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and open this. Oh, it is a green Coke, sadly, but whatever. There is the code card. Put that to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. As usual, still get prison cards. Pretty sweet. So we've got Steel Energy, Gyarados, Fairy Charm, Professor's Lecture. Pick it up. Dene, Cyndaquil, Kaneko, Eevee, Bruxish, Lost Blender, and a Moltres. So let's get on to the next one. Go ahead and open it right there. Let's see what's the pack card. Hoping to sell by. Nope, it's another Pacific line, or whatever, however you say it. Pick it up for good luck. Let's get into the 7 booster. Try to open. Come on. There. Try to take this out. I feel like I saw something shiny, but there is the code card. Do not want to reveal it. So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay. Let's try not to give out any spoilers. So, Energy, Shuckle, Spell Tag, Memory Energy, Durant, Kabucho, Fanafi, Wurmple, Marini, and Houndoom, which is a rare. And the last card is a Chandelure Holo. Pretty nice. Okay, so these were the 2 pulls for this video. It was a white code, so if you did not claim these code cards already, go ahead and claim them. Let's do a recap of all of the cards we got. Why not? So a Wurmple, Fairy Charm, Gyarados, Marini, Fanafi, Kabucho, Energy, Durant, Upside Down, Memory Energy, Spell Tag, Shuckle, Energy, Moltres, which is a rare. Our reverse, Bruxish, Eevee, Pineco, Cyndaquil, Dedenne, a Professor Elm's lecture, a Houndoom, and our Chandelure holographic. Hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.